This is a weather alert from KELOLAND TV.
Hello from the Storm Center at KELOLAND TV. We have a line of thunderstorms making its way through southwest Minnesota, northwest Iowa, and actually a couple of tornado warnings have been issued as a result. Number one, right near Pipestone National Monument, that cell right there has produced a confirmed tornado. It's moving to the northeast at 20 miles an hour. So we have a tornado warning in the general vicinity of Pipestone, moving across central and northern Pipestone counties at the present time. Second area of tornado activity is right near Little Rock, Iowa.
This is a weather alert from KELOLAND TV.
Hello from the Storm Center, KELOLAND TV. We just had a tornado warning issued, and it goes through the heart of the Iowa Great Lakes area. Have a look at this area. This is Milford. This is Spirit Lake here. Have had a circulation develop down near the Spencer, Iowa area. It is moving in a northeasterly direction, so we do have a tornado warning, which is in effect Milford up towards Spirit Lake as the cell moves in a northeasterly direction. This is radar indicated, but our Viper processor has been picking up on the circulation there in an area which has already been under a severe thunderstorm warning for hail and wind, but now we also have the added threat of a tornado. It is the cell is near kind of near the Lake Park area. It's moving in a northeasterly direction. I can zoom in for you a little bit more, but there is a circulation within that thunderstorm, and it's heading up toward the Iowa Great Lakes at this time. This is where the tornado warning is in effect. I'll draw it in for you because I know there's a lot going on your screen. This is the newest tornado warning here from the Iowa Great Lakes area all the way up towards Spirit Lake and across the border. Here's the Minnesota-Iowa border right here, and this is Minnesota up here, and that is why we do have the tornado warning, which has been posted for this area right here. Milford, Spirit Lake, up into the southern part of Jackson County in Minnesota. You are under a tornado warning as a result of this spin which is developed on radar. I want to back things out and show you we still have that line of thunderstorms which is moving its way through northwest Iowa. Lots of areas of heavy rain have been detected out of this thing. We also still have for another few moments this tornado warning in effect for the Worthington area in Nobles County. That is this cell. I'll draw this one in for you right here. Nobles County up into the tip of Jackson County there, but it does include Worthington, Minnesota. This is the cell, though, right here, which has produced that spin within the past few minutes, and that's why the new tornado warning has been issued for the Iowa Great Lakes area. That is in effect until 3 o'clock p.m. Also, I should let you know the Storm Prediction Center has issued a tornado watch for some of these areas till 10 o'clock tonight. So I'll give you a shot at where that is in just a couple of minutes. Spencer, Iowa, by the way, they do have a wind measuring device there. Just picked up a wind gust of 62 miles an hour. That's in Spencer right here. That's where they did pick up a wind gust of 62 miles an hour. That's the cell that's moving in a northeasterly direction. Should come through the Iowa Great Lakes area and then head up into southwest Minnesota within the next few minutes. So if you do have friends out on the lake, you might want to tell them that there's a very strong storm which is coming up from the south and headed in the general direction of the lakes area. I'm going to zoom in for you a little bit more so we can take a closer look at this. I want to change my sources here is trying to get a little bit, excuse me, better definition of what's going on. The area of concern is right in just to the south of the Milford area at the present time, heading up toward Lake Park and eventually Spirit Lake within the next few minutes. This is a cell which has produced some fairly strong weather in the form of heavy rain a bit earlier on in the day, but now the situation has become tornadic in that region, right around Milford, heading up into Spirit Lake and eventually Jackson, Minnesota. Let's take a look at the other cell. This is near Worthington, Minnesota, which has been under a tornado warning and is under a tornado warning for another 10 minutes or so. Looks like that cell might be starting to interact with the one further to the south, and that in essence you get the two cells fighting each other and they can kill each other off sometimes. But right now south of Spirit Lake we still do have that issue. Again, the Spencer airport just picked up the Wind gust of 62 miles per hour.